Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a handmade Christmas tree with cute messages in it. So let's get started! We need a tissue roll for the stem, green paper for tracing our hands, cardboard for the base, and also we need pencil, eraser, glue and scissors. Tracing my hands for the Christmas tree leaves. I traced my hand, so now I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to apply some glue and stick this. Apply some glue in this circle because I don't know the size of this. Now I'm going to stick it in the middle. And now we have to make a dress for some time so it can dry and not fall. Now I'm going to write some cute messages for myself in these papers. So when I see this Christmas tree, I'll get reminded that I have to be very happy and I have to go everywhere very bravely. I am the best. My next cute message is, I will never give up. Now, I'm going to stick the cute messages in this Christmas tree. I hope you all like this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And I'm sure you will try this Christmas tree out. Also, don't forget to try it and send me a photo. So, Merry Christmas!